In the vast tapestry of Earth's history, woven approximately 400 million years ago during the enigmatic pre-Devonian epoch, our planet bore a stark resemblance to a desolate, inhospitable wasteland. This bleak landscape, a stark contrast to the verdant, teeming world we know today, was a barren expanse, devoid of the rich biodiversity that would later characterize our planet. Amid this desolation, however, there existed pockets of life, remnants of a time when the Earth was still finding its footing as a habitable world. One such example was the colossal fungal structures known as Prototaxites, which thrived for a remarkable 50 million years in this harsh environment. Reaching heights of up to 26 feet, these ancient organisms dominated the Earth's flora during a time when vegetation was sparse and the landscape was dominated by rock and barren soil. The Prototaxites were unlike any fungi that exist today, their massive, trunk-like structures resembling more the trees that would come to dominate the Earth's surface millions of years later. Their massive size and unique structure allowed them to thrive in this inhospitable world, drawing nutrients from the soil and absorbing moisture from the air. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Prototaxites was their relationship with insects. These colossal fungal structures attracted a variety of insects, which carved intricate tunnels within their towering structures. These tunnels served as homes for the insects, as well as a network for the exchange of nutrients and gases. Insects such as trichopterans, dipterans, and coleopterans are known to have inhabited these structures, creating a complex and interconnected ecosystem within the Prototaxites. The presence of these insects within the Prototaxites suggests a symbiotic relationship, with the insects providing the fungi with nutrients and the fungi providing the insects with shelter and a source of food. This symbiosis was essential for the survival of both the Prototaxites and the insects, and it played a crucial role in the cycle of life in this ancient ecosystem. The exact nature of this relationship is still a subject of ongoing research, with scientists hypothesizing that the insects may have played a role in the dispersal of the Prototaxite spores. For instance, it is believed that the trichopteran insects that lived within the Prototaxites may have helped in the dispersal of the fungal spores by attaching them to their bodies and transporting them to new locations. This would have allowed the Prototaxites to colonize new areas and expand their range, contributing to their remarkable longevity in an otherwise inhospitable environment. In addition to their relationship with insects, the Prototaxites also played a significant role in the development of the Earth's first soils. As they decomposed, their massive structures broke down into nutrient-rich particles that were carried away by wind and water, eventually forming fertile soil for new life. This process created a feedback loop, as the nutrients in the soil supported the growth of the Prototaxites, which in turn contributed to the formation of more soil. The Prototaxites were not only significant for their role in the development of soil, but also for their role in the carbon cycle. As these massive fungi decomposed, they released carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to the early planetary carbon cycle. This carbon cycle played a crucial role in the regulation of the Earth's climate and atmosphere, and the Prototaxites were a key player in this process. When the Prototaxites died, they became a massive feast for decomposers, which broke down their massive structures and returned their nutrients to the soil. This process created fertile soil for new life, and the Prototaxites played a crucial role in the development of the Earth's first soils. However, their reign as the dominant form of life on Earth was short-lived. With the advent of trees, which were able to outcompete the Prototaxites for resources, the once dominant fungi began to decline. The trees were able to grow taller and capture more sunlight, while their roots were able to tap into deeper layers of the soil and access nutrients that were out of reach for the Prototaxites. This marked the end of the Prototaxites' reign and the beginning of a new era in the history of life on Earth. The decline of the Prototaxites paved the way for the evolution of complex animal life and diverse ecosystems. Their massive underground networks offered insights into survival strategies in resource-limited environments, and their story serves as a testament to the power of adaptation and competition. Their story also highlights the ever-changing nature of life and the importance of understanding the past to comprehend the present and predict the future. The study of the fossil record is essential for understanding the history of life on Earth, and the story of the Prototaxites offers valuable insights into the early stages of our planet's evolution. By studying the fossil record, we can gain a better understanding of the processes that shaped the world we live in today, and we can make predictions about the future of life on Earth. The story of the Prototaxites also underscores the importance of resilience, diversity, and interconnectedness. These ancient organisms were remarkable examples of life's ability to adapt to harsh environments, and their decline marks a significant turning point in the history of life on Earth. Their story offers valuable lessons for navigating the complex and ever-changing world, and it serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving the fossil record for future generations. Furthermore, the story of the Prototaxites highlights the importance of humility in the face of the universe's mysteries. The Earth is a vast, complex system, and there is still much that we do not understand about its history and evolution. The study of the fossil record is a never-ending journey of discovery, and it is essential that we approach it with a sense of wonder and humility. In conclusion, the story of the Prototaxites is a fascinating and important chapter in the history of life on Earth. Their colossal structures and intricate relationships with insects provide valuable insights into the early stages of our planet's evolution, and their decline marks a significant turning point in the history of life. Their story serves as a testament to adaptation, competition, interconnectedness, and the ever-changing nature of life, and it offers valuable lessons for navigating the complex and ever-changing world. It also underscores the importance of resilience, diversity, preservation of the fossil record, and humility in the face of the universe's mysteries. The study of the fossil record is essential for understanding the history of life on Earth, and the story of the Prototaxites is a valuable contribution to this ongoing journey of discovery. Moreover, the story of the Prototaxites sheds light on the interconnectedness of life and the importance of understanding the relationships between different species. The symbiotic relationship between the Prototaxites and insects was essential for the survival of both organisms, demonstrating how the fate of one species can be closely tied to that of another. This interconnectedness is a theme that continues to resonate throughout the history of life on Earth, with countless examples of symbiotic relationships playing crucial roles in various ecosystems. In addition, the story of the Prototaxites serves as a reminder of the importance of adaptation in the face of changing environmental conditions. The Prototaxites were able to thrive in a harsh and inhospitable environment, but their failure to adapt to the rise of trees signaled their decline and eventual extinction. This story underscores the role of adaptation in the survival of species, and the importance of being able to adapt to changes in the environment in order to thrive. Finally, the story of the Prototaxites highlights the role of the fossil record in understanding the history of life on Earth. The fossil record provides a snapshot of the past, allowing us to study the evolution of life and the changes that have occurred over millions of years. The study of the fossil record is essential for understanding the processes that have shaped the world we live in today, and for making predictions about the future of life on Earth. The story of the Prototaxites is just one example of the many fascinating chapters that can be found in the fossil record, each offering valuable insights into the history of life on our planet. In conclusion, the story of the Prototaxites is a captivating and essential chapter in the history of life on Earth. Their colossal structures and intricate relationships with insects provide valuable insights into the early stages of our planet's evolution, and their decline marks a significant turning point in the history of life. Their story serves as a testament to adaptation, competition, interconnectedness, and the ever-changing nature of life, and it offers valuable lessons for navigating the complex and ever-changing world. It also underscores the importance of resilience, diversity, preservation of the fossil record, and humility in the face of the universe's mysteries. The study of the fossil record is essential for understanding the history of life on Earth, and the story of the Prototaxites is a valuable contribution to this ongoing journey of discovery.